Jai Hind. Welcome to GS Nexus Current Affairs series. In today's session, we are going to have a look on greenwashing in the country. So in this regard, we will discuss about the news, what is greenwashing, difference between greenwashing and whitewashing, and legislative framework for greenwashing in the country. So let's begin with the news. Central Consumer Protection Authority, that is CPCA, issued guidelines for the prevention and regulation of greenwashing and misleading environmental claims. The guidelines are drafted in the wake of rapid increase of advertisement of green, that is environmental friendly products, and growing number of environmentally aware consumers. Now, let's know about what is greenwashing. Greenwashing is a term that plays on the word whitewashing and refers to the marketing tactics where companies falsely claim or exaggerate the environmental benefits of their products or services, often using vague or unsubstantiated terms such as natural, eco-friendly, or green. Therefore, by creating an illusion of environmental responsibility, many scrupulous companies end up exploiting customers' growing environmental sensitivity. For example, in 2015, Godrej Consumer Product Limited was accused of claiming that the soap was 100% natural, biodegradable, and eco-friendly, but it contained synthetic ingredients. Now, let's know difference between greenwashing and whitewashing. Greenwashing is a term of whitewashing that involves misleading people about the company's environmental impact. Whitewashing is a more general term that can refer to hiding any unpleasant facts for any product. Now, let's know about legislative framework for greenwashing in the country. Earlier, India did not have a dedicated law that addressed greenwashing expressly. However, broader consumer protection laws and regulation could address deceptive market practices, including those involving environmental claims. The Consumer Protection Act 2019 gives the Central Consumer Protection Authority the power to issue necessary guidelines to prevent unfair trade practices and protect consumers' interests. By virtue of this power, CPCA has released guidelines for prevention and regulation of greenwashing or misleading environmental claims 2024 to ensure transparency and accuracy in the environmental marketing claims. The issuance of guidelines marks the first instance of a dedicated law on greenwashing in India. These guidelines apply to all advertisements, service providers, product sellers, advertisers, or advertising agencies involved in promoting specific goods or services. That's all for today. For more such videos, stay tuned with GS Nexus.